Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Is all well in Uttarakhand BJP after Pushkar Singh Dhami's elevations as CM. They say all well that ends well. Is all really over? And is all well in Uttarakhand BJP? Pushkar Singh Dhami, 45-year age, took oath as the 11th Chief Minister of Uttarakhand on Sunday. Dhami replaced Tirath Singh Rawat, who submitted his resignation on Friday, citing a constitutional crisis as his election to the state legislative assembly within the stipulated time might not be possible due to COVID-19. Along with Dhami, 11 MLAs of the BJP were sworn in as a member of the Council of Ministers. They included Satpal Maharaj, Harak Singh Rawat, Bansidhar Bhagat, Yashpal Arya, Vishen Singh Chupal, Subodh Unial, Dhyan Singh Rawat, Arvind Pandey, Ganesh Joshi, Rekha Arya, Swami Yatish Varanand. But not all went down smoothly in the run-up to the oath-taking ceremony in Dehradun on Sunday. Up until earlier in the day, Pushkar Singh Dhami's name hadn't even featured as a contender in the fray, while sources close to former Chief Minister Devendra Singh Rawat said the latter believed he was back in the game this time. Others like Satpal Maharaj and another young contender, Dhyan Singh Rawat, believed their time had finally come too. While speculation in the rife over the reasons behind the BJP's surprise pick given Pushkar Dhami administrative experience. Former UP CM Kalyan Singh admitted to ICU in Lucknow. Former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Kalyan Singh was admitted to the intensive care unit of the Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences in Lucknow on Sunday evening, according to a statement released by the institute. The statement said that a panel of experts from the nephrology, cardiology, neurology, endocrinology, and neurology departments has been formed to attend the veteran BJP leader Kalyan Singh. Kalyan Singh was admitted to Lucknow's Ram Manohar Lohia Institute on Saturday after his death deteriorated. He had been unwell for the past 2 weeks. According to reports, Kalyan Singh complained of body swelling. His urea and creatinine levels were also reported to be elevated as per the blood test. The veteran BJP leader Kalyan Singh has served both as Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh and Governor of Rajasthan. After hearing both the BJP leaders deteriorating health, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, his deputy Keshav Prasad Maurya, and UP BJP Chief Swatantra Dev Singh had visited Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Institute of Medical Sciences on Sunday and inquired about the well-being of Kalyan Singh. Tamil Nadu farmer transformed son's bicycle into plug to cultivated land. Farmers in India experience huge losses during the coronavirus pandemic. The COVID-induced lockdowns have struck at their source of income, overlapping with the time of harvest. One such example is that of a farmer from Agur village in Tamil Nadu's Tiruthanni district. This farmer had to convert his son's bicycle into a plug and seek the help of family members to cultivate his field. Nagaraj, age 37, and his brother have been looking after their father's field. They suffered losses after cultivating paddy and decided to grow sammangi flowers, which are used in making garlands for offering in temples. The family took out a loan and worked for 6 months without any yield, waiting for the plants to mature. However, at the time of harvest, a nationwide lockdown was imposed to control the spread of COVID-19. The lockdown included restrictions on weddings and religious gatherings, which further derailed harvest preparation made by Nagaraj and his family. He transformed his son's bicycle given by Tamil Nadu's government to school students into a club. With help from his brother and son, Nagaraj was determined to recoup the losses he suffered the past few months. He began walking in the field for several hours, plugging and land with his new equipment. I am using my son's bicycle without any means of food. I had no other option, so I had to do this, said Nagaraj. His 11-year-old son, Dhanashejan, who is attending online classes, said he loves farming like his father and grandfather. Tamil Nadu's Agur village alone has nearly 800 such small farming families who had suffered a great deal this past year. All they need is a little financial assistance from the central and Tamil Nadu governments to stay afloat and do what they love, farm. Those indulging and lynching are against Hindutva. RSS Chief Mohan Bhagat, asserting that the DNA of all Indians is the same. Rashtriya Swam Sevak Sangh Chief Mohan Bhagat on Sunday urged Muslims not to get trapped in the cycle of fear that Islam is in danger in India. Addressing an event organized by the Muslim Rashtriya Manch on the theme Hindustani First, Hindustani First, he said that people can't be differentiated on how they worship. He also took on those indulging in lynching, saying they are against Hindutva. Though at times some false cases of lynching have been registered against people, Bhagat said. Don't get trapped in the cycle of fear that Islam is in danger in India, he said at the event. The only solution to Hindu-Muslim conflict is a dialogue, not discord, he said. Hindu-Muslim unity is misleading as they are not different but one. DNA of all Indians are same, irrespective of religion, Bhagat said. We are in a democracy. There can't be a dominance of Hindus or Muslims. There can only be a dominance of Indians. While beginning his speech, Bhagat said he was attending the event neither for an image makeover nor for vote bank politics. Bhagat said neither the Sangh is in politics nor does it bother about maintaining an image. It keeps on doing its work to strengthen the nation and for the welfare of all in the society, he said.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.